Do you need a graphics card? Do you really need a graphics card? Today, we'll break down when a GPU is essential and when you can save your money. Overview. A graphics card, also called a GPU, isn't always a must-have. Integrated graphics, which come built into most modern CPUs, handle basic tasks like browsing, emailing, and office work just fine. But when your workload gets heavier, such as gaming, video editing, or 3D modeling, a dedicated GPU can give you a massive performance boost. When a graphics card is necessary. Let's look at when you really need one. For gaming, a dedicated GPU delivers smoother frame rates and supports higher resolutions in modern titles. If you are into video or image editing, a GPU speeds up rendering and effects processing. For 3D modeling and CAD, powerful GPUs can handle complex designs without lag. They are also important for running multiple monitors smoothly. And in fields like machine learning or AI, GPUs process large datasets far faster than a CPU alone. When a graphics card is not necessary. On the other hand, if your work is mostly basic computing, like checking emails, browsing the web, writing documents, or streaming videos, integrated graphics are more than enough. Even for some older or less demanding games, you can play without needing a separate graphics card. Integrated versus dedicated graphics. So what's the difference? Integrated graphics share your system's memory and are less powerful, but they are energy efficient and cost nothing extra. Dedicated graphics cards have their own memory and processing unit, which means they deliver much better performance, especially for graphics-heavy tasks. Ultimately, the right choice depends on how you use your computer.